Hello, this is Chris from UK Bump Keys. I've had a customer and he sent me some locks and he bought a 3-piece bump key set off me. Well, off of UK Bump Keys. Didn't meet him down an alley or anything. And he was not complaining, but he said he's got no joy, he's had no joy, doesn't think they work, thinks bumping's a myth. Stuff that I haven't heard for years, but in fairness to him, I said send me the locks, I'll have a go. These are the locks he sent me and I will now have a go. So this one, there you go, it's all working nicely. So the trick is, our bump keys, there's three different types of patterns on them. One of them is just like V's, like imagine just V's cut into a key. One of them's like concave, sort of, you know, like an arc, bit of a circle. And one of them is like, they're like, imagine half of a hexagon, so it's a line down, a flat, and then line up. So you've got 3 types of patterns, and this is important. I have got dampeners here, and dampeners are pretty good, but I'm going to just try and show you. So I just give it a go, just put one in. You need to think, if you think about, you can see where the pins are there, and you can see where the peaks are lining up. So because it's a 5-pin, I can feel that that's all lined up, and the last one is showing. And you just sort of have a go, and if you don't get any joy after a while, I mean I'm at not an angle here because I'm trying to be in the, so if you have no joy with one key, try one of the others. Make sure I'm still in shot there. I mean, immediately I can hear that sounds a little bit better. If you're not using dampeners, and sometimes, actually, if you are, you need to remember to keep resetting the key. No joy with that one. Try this one. Am I still in shot there? I mean, it just sounds a little. There you go. Did you get that? So that's one of his locks done. Now I'm going to try this one. So I'll try the same key. And see, this one's the key's a little bit tougher in there. There you go. That's 2. That's these 2. And then I've got this one here, which is obviously again all working nice. Put the key in there. Make sure I'm in shot. Oh. Try another key, which is kind of the purpose of this video. If you're not having much joy with one, try one of the others. Alright, so I'm not getting too much joy with that. So this is where you get busy with the dampeners, which I've got somewhere around here. Where have I put my dampeners? Oh mate. Where are the dampeners? I've got some here. So now I'm going to try it with dampeners. So what you do, pop a couple on, and then you're looking to see where that's going to set the teeth. I mean, that looks pretty good. Opa. Might be a bit short, but I'll try that. I'm going to need another one. So I'm going to put another one on there. See how I'm using the pins across the top, working out whether that's going to be set nicely. Maybe just 2 of the big ones. Oh man, I don't want this last one to not work. I was doing so well. But this is what it's about, trial and error. There you go. So, that is those 3 locks bumped, Mr. Andrew Halls. They're your locks, and I just bumped them for you. Of course it works. Amazing.